Hi students, let us continue our topic differentiation. Now here two more important problems are here. Now first one is establish if under root 1 minus x square plus under root 1 minus y square equals to a into x minus y. Then show that dy by dx equals to under root 1 minus y square by 1 minus x square. Okay. Let us go with solution. Let given under root 1 minus x square plus under root 1 minus y square equals a into x minus. Okay. Then we need dy by dx. Actually, we have to derivative. Then we will get dy by dx. Yes or no? Suppose we can derivative with respect to x on both sides. Definitely we will get what? Dy by dx here. Okay. But I am taking one more method by applying sine formulas, sine and cos transformation formulas. Okay. Let's suppose here let x equals to sine alpha and y equals to sine beta. Taking x equals to sine alpha and y equals sine beta. Substitute here. Then we will get what? Under root 1 minus sine square alpha plus 1 minus sine square beta equals to a into sine alpha minus sine beta. Okay. By applying trigonometric formulas, under root 1 minus sine square alpha is nothing but cos square alpha. Okay, cos alpha, cos square alpha, under root square cut cos alpha. Now it is a cos beta, then that equals a into sine alpha minus sine beta. Now these are transformation formulas, yes or no? Okay, already we learnt about this. Cos alpha plus cos beta, cos c, cos d. In cos formula, cos has two cos's or two sines. If you are plus two cos's, if you are minus two sines. Okay, now here sine formula has sine and cos. Suppose minus sine cos, first sine, second cos. If you are minus first cos, second sine. Now c plus d by 2, c minus d by 2 as usual. Okay, here also alpha plus beta by 2, alpha minus beta by 2 as usual. Now 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 and cos alpha minus beta by 2. Now here 2, first one cos, yes or no, because here minus cos alpha plus beta by 2 and sine alpha minus beta by 2. Okay. Now here cos alpha plus beta by 2, cos alpha beta by 2, 2 also cancel. Okay. Now remaining cos bring that side, a bring this side. Then sine of alpha plus alpha minus beta by 2 by cos of alpha minus beta by 2 equals to 1 by a. Yes or no? Okay. Then it is nothing but tan of alpha minus beta by 2 equals to 1 by a. Then alpha minus beta by 2 equals what? Alpha minus beta by 2 equals to tan inverse of 1 by a. Then alpha minus beta equals to 2 tan inverse 1 by a. Alpha minus beta equals to 2 tan inverse 1 by a. Then beta equals to what? Minus beta bring that side. Then beta equals to alpha minus 2 tan inverse of 1 by a. Because of we need dy by dx now. Yes or no? Okay. Now beta equals nothing but, let observe, if x equals to sine alpha, then alpha equals to sine inverse x. Okay. Sine theta equals to x, then theta equals what? Sine inverse x. Okay. Sine inverse x like this. Then here it is nothing but sine inverse y. Yes or no? Okay. Here sine inverse x. Okay. Minus 2 tan inverse 1 by x. Now we can derivative above function, this function. Now differentiation with respect to x on both sides. Okay. Then sine inverse y differentiation is a 1 by under root 1 minus y square. Okay. Again differentiation of y d by dx equals to sine inverse x differentiation is a 1 by under root 1 minus x square. Now differentiation of x is a 1. Now it is a 0. Because of it is totally constant. Yes, no? Differentiation of constant, any constant is a 0. Then dy by dx equals to under root 1 minus y square by under root 1 minus x square. Then dy by dx equals to under root of 1 minus y square by 1 minus x square. It is the first proof. Okay, let us go with the second one. Okay, now here second one, let x power y equals to y power x, x power y equals to y power x, then dy by dx. Okay, now here we can doing direct at the before applying log, because of variable power variable. When variable power variable here in function, definitely we can apply log function on both sides. Then it one becomes as a, then log x power y equals to log of y power x. Then here y log x equals to, power becomes as a quotient, yes or no, x log y. Now you can derivating with respect to x on both sides. Okay, let uv method, u differentiation of v. Okay, u differentiation of v plus v differentiation of u. Here also same, x differentiation of log y is a 1 by y and also dy by dx, because of it is a y. Okay, plus now log y as it is, differentiation of x is a 1. Okay, just we need dy by dx. Okay, now it is a y by x plus log x dy by dx equals to x by y dy by dx plus log y. We need dy by dx, yes or no? Now dy by dx term bring this side. Here that one becomes as a log x dy by dx minus x by y dy by dx equals to remaining term, this term except dy by dx term becomes as a bring that side y by x log y minus y by x. Okay, let more simplification, dy by dx common, so log x minus x by y dy by dx. Okay, then this side log y minus y by x. Okay, let here LCM is a y into log x is a y log x minus x dy by dx, and here same like this, x is a LCM, x log y minus y, yes or no? Okay, now dy by dx equals what? Now this function becomes, this fraction becomes as reverse, x log y minus y by x into y by y log x minus x. Okay, dy by dx equals to y into x log y minus y by then x into y log x minus x. Okay, hence prove. Okay, like this differentiations. Thank you for watching my videos. If you want any problem, please comment on comment box. Okay, thank you so much.